How to make money from YouTube. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. With over 200 million viewers in the US alone, there are many ways to leverage that reach and make money with video content. But with millions of videos being posted every day, there is a lot of noise when trying to grow your subscriber count. Luckily, you don't have to be a famous video creator to succeed on YouTube, either. In fact, 56% of marketers believe working with a micro-influencer is more cost-effective than with mega-influencers and celebrities. No matter what kind of videos you create, you can earn revenue on YouTube. In this video we will explain you that how to make money from YouTube. Stay connected with us to know all that and watch complete video. Create a YouTube account. Creating a YouTube account is easy. If you already have one, you can move on to the next section. Simply sign into YouTube with a Google account and follow the simple process to get started. Don't worry about having everything figured out, you can come back and make changes later. However, if you have a channel or brand name you know you want to use, work around that. Identify viewer personas. Do you know who is watching your entire videos? Audience personas will help you understand your audience to create more engaging content. Personas include audience demographics like age, gender, education, location, and more. You can also use them to find an audience's primary interests and the questions they are looking to have answered. You can glean a lot of insight about your audience from YouTube Studio Analytics. Make videos. The next step, of course, is to make high-quality videos. This will obviously depend on your niche and target audience, but the important thing is to produce quality content that is engaging and unique. Upload videos to YouTube. Once you have created and edited your videos, it is time to upload them to YouTube. All you need to do is log into YouTube Studio, click Create at the top right, and select Upload Videos. You can then select one or more video files to upload. Next, you will be prompted to enter some basic information about your videos, like a title and description. There are more customization options like end screens and cards, as well as monetization settings if you qualify. Promote your video to your target audience. If you want to grow your fan base and build a successful following, you will need to go beyond just uploading videos. While you will probably get some organic views from the massive pool of YouTube users, they might not be your ideal audience or big fans of your content. Once you have content up on your channel, it is time to start promoting. A great way to accomplish this is by leveraging your presence on other social media platforms. For example, sharing a video with your Facebook friends or a related Facebook group will likely get you some views and shares, which will net you even more views. You can also consider paid ads and other forms of advertising for your channel. Select monetization preferences. Once accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, you will have tons of monetization options to earn revenue from your channel. These include paid ad revenue, YouTube Premium, commissions, fan funding, the YouTube Shorts, fun super chat and super stickers, channel memberships, merch shelves. Depending on what type of content you create, such as live streams or shorts, some of these options will work better than others. You can also specify which types of ads you want to run on your videos for the best results. Thank you very much for watching our video. If you like it, give it like, and if you want more interesting videos like this, don't hesitate to subscribe and hit the bell icon.